Hey YouTube, this is Chosen 7X7. Today I'd like to bring to you a budget-friendly, very effective EDC. It's the Navy Model K606 folder. Look at that blade, will you? It's got a similar Spyderco hole configuration. G10 scales, torque screw. Look at the liners. Stainless steel liners, full liners, by the way. Liner lock. You can see how the blade is there. There's some minor nicks. Nice jimping on the spine. Isn't that a beautiful open pillar design? Nice, nice work, Navy. What do you think? I think it's pretty nice. And wait till I tell you what it cost. Just wait. This is 440C steel. So for all of you that are familiar with 440C, you know it's a great EDC, hard use steel. Especially when you don't want to get your Sunday go to meeting knives screwed up. The overall length is 7.9 inches. The blade itself is 4 inches. And again, that's 440C stainless. Hope you can make that out. How about you, Destructo? What you think of this pig? Think you can do something with that? I think so. These are regular black G10 scales. The thickness is 1/8 of an inch at its thickest point. Very thick. And believe it or not, it's pretty sharp. It's not as sharp as I would like, but for what I would use it for, it will work fine. The retail on this knife runs anywhere from 25 to 40 bucks on eBay. I would suggest you search around if you're interested. It's a good EDC, something you can take fishing, hunting, camping, give it a good workout, and it'll be standing tall right there at the end. Great blade, again, very budget friendly. Excellent design, all the excellent features of a higher cost blade. I don't think you could go wrong for the price. But that's your call. In the meantime, this is your good friend, Chosen 7X7. Peace.